Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome back to my garage. Today I'm going to do something different, take you along for a ride while I do some errands, and maybe there'll be a little surprise. Stay tuned. Fall is definitely in the air. It's about 40 degrees. Still a few leaves on the trees here in Maryland. But it's very nippy. I'm sure it won't be long before all these leaves will be off the trees. It's still a beautiful time of year. Like the owner or something of Under Armour owns all this property. Big horse farm here. Eurostar. I was perusing Facebook this morning when I saw this recommendation from Car Gurus. This is an Audi R8 V10 gated manual. Gonna take a look at it in here at Eurostar.
Yeah.
Here at Eurostar Automotive Group.
Yeah, when you said Egyptian Arabians, I know that.
Yep.
Used to be what they had.
Yeah, well, Barbara was the wife of Doug Griffith. Griffith was the Barbara.
All these cars are for sale, but what an amazing collection. This is nearly a brand new Type R Honda. This was just traded in for an Acura NSX. Look at the interior on this BMW. Wow, beautiful. This gem, hidden among all the other cars for sale. Lamborghini Diablo, Alcantara interior, carbon fiber. And this car has a very, very interesting past. Motorweek had done an episode on it. This was a stolen car. And when it was retrieved, of course, the FBI had it in storage for a long time. Never drove the car. Has about 7,000 miles on it. It was originally red. You can see here. A fleck of original red paint. It's silver now. Still has the original wheels for it. Of course, those are not original. But this is a Diablo VT. And not a Boss 302, but a Boss 351. Couple Aston Martins. Couple Bentleys. Check out the Ferrari. Check out this Porsche. The modified hood. Got the Recaro race seats in there. Beautiful. So I originally came in here because I was looking for their Audi R8. They didn't have an R8. It's already sold. It was a V10 with a gated 6-speed. Amazing. But what a collection. What an inventory. So check them out. Link in the description below. That was so cool. Very good opportunity to get in here, check out these cars, and speak with the owner. And, well, not buying anything today, but definitely saw a lot of cars we liked. Next, we're going to be heading up to the horse farm?
Yeah,
Head up to the horse farm. All right. there's some chickens. Horse pucky in the road. All right, the I-8's here at the horse farm. Get to see some horses.
Austin did a good job because it stayed on. He's smiling.
This is Rexy. Hi, Rex. How you doing, bud? How you doing? Hi. So this is Rex. Rex is Rebecca's horse. And he's going to get a little treatment to his foot. Tell us about Rex.
He is an ex-race horse who actually raced a lot by most horse standards. He won just under $300,000, which is a lot.
Is he a good boy?
He is a great boy.
Yeah. A fun adventure at the farm. Time to head back. Sun's almost setting. And we're back at Pat's garage. Beautiful sunset. Nice views. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.